Rainstorm plunges 40 Ogun communities into darkness. A raging rainstorm on Sunday wreaked havoc at Sangwater in Ado-Water, local government area of Ogun State, plunging over 40 communities into darkness. The storm pulled down electric poles and cables, disrupting traffic on the Sangwater Highway on Sunday afternoon. The Ibadan Electricity Distribution Company confirmed the incident, appealing to residents to avoid contact with the broken poles and cables. In a public notice, the IBEDAC said, due to broken poles occasioned by the heavy downpour at Ota and Mowe, customers in the following communities: Iyano Iyesi, Osuke Town, Egan Road, Iyano Logbo, Ijagba, Itele, Lafenwa, Singa, Joju, Alishiba, Ojuore, Tollgate, Eledi, Akeja, Abebi, Osi Roundabout, Ota Town, Ota Industrial Estate, Igberin, Iju, Aton, Onipan, Obasanjo, Lusada, Arigba, Odugbe, Ado-Odo, Igbesa, Owode, Olokuta, August Engineering, Spark Sales Soap Aitoro, Amazing Grace Oil, Christopher University, Royal Garden Estate, Pentagon Estate and Everest are experiencing power outage. The discuss urged residents not to tamper with the electrical installation in an attempt to have them repaired, saying its technical team was working to clear and replace the affected poles and cables. Ojoayo Adelere reporting for Wisdom Yard Television.